Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to start a new mini-series. I'm going to create a Laravel project and add the filament and use the roles and permission from the Spotty package. So first I'm going to open the terminal and I am inside the sites directory, and here I'm going to create a new Laravel project. So Laravel new, and I'm going to name it filament roles. Okay. Then if you go to the documentation of the Filamentphp, to install we need to run the composer require filament/filament and the version which is right now 2.0, and I think is waiting to update the Livewire to version 3, and then we are going to have also the version 3 of Filamentphp. So let's copy this command and let's navigate in the project. So filament dash roles, and let's add this command. Then we need to make the user and navigate to the /admin, and we are going to have a admin dashboard. That's it, very easy. But first you need to have to create a database. So if I open this with a VS Code, by default the Laravel is going to give us a name of the database, the name we added here, but with underscores, as you can see here, filament roles. And let's open the table plus, and I'm going to create that. Okay, here, so say new, paste that name, filament underscore roles, and let's open this. And now let's run the artisan migrate. So I have an alias for PHP artisan, just a artisan migrate, and then let's copy this command to create a filament user. Paste in here, give it the name, I'm going to name it admin, give it an email address, I'm going to say admin example.com, add the password, and I'm going to say password word, and let's say no for now, and we are okay now. If we navigate here to the project, and because I have installed the Laravel Valet, I can open the project using filament roles test, and yeah, here we have the project. And now if we navigate to the /admin, we need to sign in, and we have a nice admin panel. So let's navigate in here to the /admin. We need to log in with the admin example.com and add the password. And yeah, now we have the admin in a minute. So let's reset this just to have something like this. And right now it's empty. We can sign out. We have this welcome and sign out also, and the documentation and GitHub for the filament. And that's easy is to create a admin panel with filament, which is very popular in the Laravel community. And we are going to use the plugins, and let's filter by Spotty, and here we have the roles and permission. And this plugin is not by Spotty, it's by this user. But if you go to the visit GitHub, and here he said this plugin is built on top of a Spotty permission package. Okay, so we need to install the Spotty permission, and we're going to use this one. Okay friends, that's it about this video, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.